Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus, that is NCERT textbook. In that fourth chapter I am doing linear equation in two variables. In that already two exercises I have completed. I am doing third exercise. Okay, in that second sum I will do today. Give the equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? We know that for a linear equation in two variables, there are infinitely many solutions are there for an equation. Here, a line is there, two lines passing through 2, 14. Give the equations of two lines. So, we are asked to write two lines that passes through these points. That is, solution is given here. 2, 14 is the solution. This is the x value, 2 is the x value and 14 is the y value. So, solution is given. We are asked to write two lines. Okay. So, one we can take it as, that is, for this 2, 14, x value is 2 and y value is 14. Okay. When we write a equation that has to satisfy these two things. So, for that, if I write x plus y is equal to 16. If I write x plus y is equal to 16, that will satisfy this equation. How it will satisfy? The solution is given as 2, 14. That is, x value is 2 and y value is 14. So, when I add this 2 plus 14, I will get 16 is equal to 16. So, I can take one line as x plus y is equal to 16 for the given condition. Then one more thing I need to find out such that x value is 2 and y value is 14. So, for that I am taking x plus 2y. Okay. So, x plus 2y, here y value is given as 14, y value is given as 14 and x value is given as x. So, x plus 2y is equal to 30. If I take like this, x value is given as 2 plus y value is given as 40. Okay, so this is equal to 30. So 2 plus 2 into 14 is 28. That is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 30. So this is one more equation which satisfy the given condition. So they are like this, infinitely many number of lines we can write for the given point. Since they are asking two lines, any two lines can be written. In that 2 I am writing it for an example for you. Okay. Third sum is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Very simple only. So, the equation given is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. For this equation lies on the point 3, 4. If this point lies on this equation, so x and y value is given as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 it is given. So, these two values I will substitute it in the given equation and find the value of e. That's all. So, y value is given as 4. So, 3 into 4 is equal to a into x value is given as 3 plus 7. So, 3 4s are 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. So, 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. So, 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 is equal to 3a. So, my a value is 5 by 3. This is the answer. A is equal to 5 by 3. Next sum is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8 rupees and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, so here according to the question, the total distance, according to the question, so the total distance covered is x kilometer. X kilometer is the total distance covered and total fare is given as rupees y rupees. Total fare is given as y rupees Then fare for the first kilometer. Fare for first kilometer is given as 8 rupees. Fare for the first kilometer is given as rupees 8. Then for the subsequent distance, it is given as x minus 1 kilometer. That means for the subsequent distance it is given x minus 1 kilometer. Okay. Total distance if it is covered, 2 kilometers if it is covered. First 1 kilometer already they have fixed it as 8 kilometer. Then for the remaining 1 kilometer only we have to find the value. Okay. So the subsequent distance is x minus 1 kilometer. Then fare for subsequent distance will be 5 into x minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 5x minus 5. Okay, so now we have to make it as an equation. So write a linear equation for this information. So what is given? Total distance covered is given as x kilometer. Total fare is y kilometer. So total fare is y kilometer. Okay, then fare for the first kilometer. So first kilometer we will take it as 8. Okay, plus for the subsequent distance. So what is the fare given? This is the fare for the first kilometer. For the subsequent distance, how much it is given? 5. How much we wrote? 5x minus 5. Okay, so when we simplify this, we will get 5x plus 3 is equal to y. When we make it as a linear equation, we will get 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so 5x, so 5, this is the fare for the first kilometer and this is the fare for the subsequent kilometer. That is 5x minus 5. So when you add this, we will get the total distance, total fare. When we add these two fare only, we will get the total fare for that particular person. So this is the linear equation, 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So for this, we will do the tabular column and then we will draw the graph for the equation. So in this one, if we take minus y is equal to minus 3 minus 5x. So this is y is equal to 3 plus 5x. Okay, so for this one, first if we take x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3 plus 5 into 0 is 0. So y is equal to 3 we will get. Y is equal to 3. So if x is 0 and y will be equal to 3. Okay, then if we take x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3 plus 5 into 1, that is 5. So 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. Okay, then if we take x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 3 plus 5 into minus 1, that is equal to 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 2. So 3 plus 5 into minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 3 plus minus 5 will be minus 2. So when we put this in the tabular column, so these coordinate points only, we will be plotting it in the graph. So if x is 0, then y value will be 3. Then if x is 1, y value is 8. Then if x is minus 1, then then if the x is minus 1, y value is minus 2. Okay. Plot these three coordinate points in the graph. So in the graph, we are plotting this coordinate points. So that will be, this one will be, x-axis will be 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On the other side, negative axis also I am doing. Then y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units I will be taking. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is y-axis. This is x-axis and that one is y-axis. So first point is 0, 3. So 0 is x-axis and 3 will be here, this point. So this is 0, 3 point. Then 1, 8. So 1, 8 will be this point. 1, 8. Then next one will be minus 1, minus 2. So this is minus 1 x-axis, minus 2 is y-axis. So minus 1, minus 2. So now if I join these 3 points, I will get a straight line. So this straight line is for the given equation. So this is for the given equation. 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this graph is for the linear equation 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is how it has to be done. We are asked to draw the given linear equation in the graph. So we have drawn that. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.